Attention, be sure you stay seated with your seatbelt buckled, because it's time to hit the road and enjoy nature's wonderland, Ornament Valley.
Hola amigos, se ven muy bien.
Look at the yellow dasher out by your buckles.
Permanecer sentados, abrocharse el cinturón y estamos para salir.
Spark plug.